The general election is less than a month away. Mail-in ballots have been a hot topic. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court made a decision over the weekend to not make changes to them. Evan Popalis has more on that. Evan.
Yeah, Valerie, that decision is to let it be. There's been so much confusion recently surrounding mail-in voting, and the state's highest court is declining to make more changes. The court rejected a request to stop counties from throwing out mail-in ballots that lack a handwritten date or have an incorrect date on the return envelope, citing earlier rulings pointing to the risk of confusing voters so close to the election. Many voters have not understood the legal requirement to sign and date their mail-in ballots, leaving tens of thousands of ballots without accurate dates since Pennsylvania expanded mail-in voting in Act 77 of 2019. Now, I talked with former U.S. District Judge John Jones. He says ballot errors will continue most likely, but he's not sure if it'll sway the outcome.
If passed as an indication, there will be thousands of ballots that people simply omit to date. Those just aren't going to be counted. And this is going to be a razor thin margin, I think, in the election. And it'll have an impact, I think, ultimately. Is it going to be sufficient to change the outcome of the election? I have no idea. No one does. But it's going to disqualify votes. There's no question.
And Chief Justice Deborah Todd says voters, election officials, and courts needed some clarity before this upcoming election, clarity that they will not see before this upcoming election. Live in East Petersburg, Evan Popalis, ABC 27 News.